check this out. Oh. 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 Whoa. 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 Okay. Bro, what? Okay. Strange elevator. Now this is a Dovis. Oh my God, this is a heavy gate. Look at this. Oh, what? Oh my God, wait, can I just turn on the light and turn it off? Neat. Cool, let's turn on the light for now. Look at this, Dover. Damn. Okay. All right, 2 or 1. Can we watch the wheels? Kind of. Whoa. All right, up to 4. There's a hole in the elevator. Counterweight. All right, ride it back down to 1. This epic Dovis freight elevator. Let's watch the counterweight go by. Here it comes. Eventually. There it is. Damn. That's a big ass counterweight. All right, back up to 3. Got to take its time. That sounds great. Up to 3. Let's go, Dover. You can kind of see the 2-to-1 wheels up there. Here's 3. Anyway, that's it.